Arnie the Labe, day 36. It's the afternoon. He's napping. He's getting ready to eat. He's happy and he's cute. We love him so much. He's adorable. Sweet. Aren't you sweet? Aren't you sweet? Do you like it? You like being tickled? Are you ticklish? You have a smile on your face? Do you like looking at the toys? Does it make you happy? You like cute little baby noises? I love you so much. Bless you. Feel better from your sneeze? I see a little smile in there. I see a little smile. Are you happy? Are you happy?